In this video, we're going to show you how to do the lives counter. What I have is a brand new sprite over here. I called it lives counter, and it contains 4 costumes. The first one is completely blank. The last one shows 3 frogs directly next to each other. And the other 2, I have subtracted the frog from the right side. So my 2 lives counter has 2 frogs, one in the very center, and the other one to the left of it. My single life costume only has 1 frog on the far left. This helps the counter not move left or right when we switch the costumes. The rest of this is fairly easy. First, we need to have a lives variable. So if you haven't already, underneath your variable, make sure that you have one for lives. Next, we're going to say on green flag, forever switch to the costume of lives plus 1. Now it's lives plus 1 because our costumes start at 1, and that is the end of our lives. That's when we have no lives left. If we check our game, you will see that lives starts with 3 when I start my game. And then as I get hit, my lives goes down. If I were to check this lives counter and make it visible, start my game over again, same thing. Here I show 3 lives, and then when I get hit by a car, I lose a life, and my lives counter frog moves down to just 2 frogs. That's great. Also, on my stages, I've created more backdrops. Not only do I have the start screen and the play screen, I've also created a win screen and a lose screen. Now the code in here, if my lives equals 0, go to that lose screen. That is in a forever block with an if statement. I've already preloaded this for success as well, when my success, which is another variable you can create, equals 5, then I'd go to my win screen. Our success will be in the next video where we show how to do the pond and how to make sure that our frog accesses that pond and gets all 5 of our ponds filled.